How to create a cleaning schedule. What is a cleaning schedule? It's a document that contains information on how to undertake the cleaning process of a particular item or area. It would include required chemicals, equipment, frequencies, method, responsibilities, and safety information. It may cover more than one method for the same item or area, for example, daily and weekly tasks. Why do we need cleaning schedules? The main drivers for documenting the correct cleaning and disinfection methods are to record how something is cleaned and to help achieve high standards of hygiene, meeting legislation requirements, customer and retailer demands, internationally recognised industry quality standards. This diagram shows the steps required for the creation, implementation and continuous improvement of a successful cleaning scheduling system. This video will provide practical advice for steps 1 to 4 for food or drink manufacturing sites. Step 1. Determine objectives. Objectives are dependent on the type of clean and related hazards. Types may include end of production clean to reduce microbial counts, remove allergens, chemicals or physical contamination, interim clean for allergens, or deep clean for debris removal, infestation prevention, or biofilm or limescale removal. Step 2. Planning. Assemble a team of relevant and experienced members to scope the process. These may include hygiene manager, engineer, production manager and chemical supplier. The planning meeting should identify the areas, equipment, cleaning periods, chemicals and concentration, water temperature, application and responsibility. Reference numbers should be agreed and it should tie in with associated documentation. Step 3. Information gathering. Cleaning schedules should be created for all machinery, production equipment, cleaning equipment, environmental surfaces such as walls and floors, and any air handling units. During the gathering of information for creation of the cleaning schedules, it is good practice to observe the cleaning process from start to finish. This may include stripping down of machinery, gross debris removal, pre-rinsing, detergent application, rinsing, inspection and disinfection. This exercise will also capture the cleaning equipment being used, chemical concentration and contact time, key inspection points, safety and special precautions. Photos of critical steps and key inspection points should be taken throughout. Step 4. Cleaning schedule creation. Once all the information has been captured, it can be transferred into the cleaning schedule template. It is good practice to include symbols wherever possible, particularly for cleaning equipment, PPE and other controls. Photos can be annotated with information such as key inspection points. In summary, determine objectives, assemble the team, establish critical information, review the site plan, gather information, create cleaning schedule, implement and train team, audit and review.